Excalibur Apps presents It's Time. Things are never going to be the same again. The shift to a mobile market is historic and it's permanent. Morgan Stanley has declared that the fifth technology wave has hit us, going from mainframe computing all the way up to today's mobile internet computing through smartphones. What does this mean? It means instant gratification for over 1 billion people on the planet who will have these devices by the end of next year. Instant gratification means buying decisions on the spur of the moment for books, for music, for games, for video and movie content, and much more. How big is this market? As of March of last year, there were over 4 billion applications downloaded. Are your customers missing your message? Traditional advertising is just not getting in front of customers today. Where is their attention? And where's their money going? Here's the way top marketers are advertising today, connecting their products to where their customers are paying the most attention. Why do you need to go mobile? Because the majority of your customers will be. Most searches are being done on phones. Money is being spent on phones. Customers are picking their favorite applications now, and it's still not too late to get on the bus. What is this going to mean to you? Well, with each new wave in technology, there are always going to be those who become rich by it, those who just survive it, and those who are destroyed by it. The fifth wave of technology has now begun. Are you positioned to benefit from it? We need more proof? Here are the facts. The majority of Americans will own a smartphone by the end of this year. 2/3 of all Americans will have an iPad or similar tablet by the end of next year. 40% of all internet searches done this day will be done on a mobile phone. More than 1 billion people worldwide will be using smartphones by the end of next year. So, what is mobile marketing? It's you getting noticed when your customers are looking for your service. It's providing them with a convenient way to connect with you. It's creating and capturing those spontaneous decision-making moments. It's giving incentives to them for loyalty and creating buzz for your brand. How is money made in the new mobile marketing era? Here are 2 classic examples. Chipotle has an app that allows you to pick the food you'd like based on the location closest to you, pay for it through your phone, and then you get to skip the line, go right to the front, grab your food, and leave. And they'll even call you 45 minutes later just to make sure you're happy with your order. Now, when you have a short lunch time, even if you liked food better somewhere else, you may choose this brand because they made it convenient for you and allowed for that spontaneous decision making to take place. Starbucks is another great example. Predictions are already in place that within 5 years that credit cards may even go the way of paper checks because transactions can all be done with the phone safely, securely, conveniently. Mobile coupons are another fantastic way to build loyalty. In this particular case, it sort of gives a relationship to your customers that's similar to a backstage pass would be to a concert. It's a relationship that says only people who have our branded application get these extra values. Push notifications are a revolutionary concept. This allows you to be able to connect and make special offers in real time to your customers wherever they are. In this example, eBay can give an instant notification to say that item you're interested in is about time to bid. Notify your customers of upcoming events. Allow them to purchase their tickets right on the spot. The possibilities are endless. Finally, millions of dollars have also been made simply by selling those apps. Over $1 billion has been paid out by Apple for apps sold through its App Store as of June of last year. What if you don't have an app? Well, first, customers won't find you when they're searching for what you have to offer. Second, customers are going to put other people's apps on their phones that could have been you. And finally, customers will be showing their friends the cool applications that they have, and they won't be talking about you. So why are mobile apps the new marketing world? Because it's an amazing and unique combination of video, social, audio, news, fun, money, branding, and business, What else has all of that in one package that people can take with them everywhere they go? Let's give some examples of how an application would function. Here's a restaurant. GPS locating can help someone find it. One tap they can call. You can show menus, display coupons, push notifications for new specials, to-go ordering on the checkout from the phone, plus one-tap social networking so they can recommend this store to their friends. Another example would be a nonprofit. List your schedules of event, your audio playback of sermons or other messages, video messages, donation links, push notifications, a quote of the day, the history about your organization, GPS mapping to find your locations, and suggest to a friend social networking. How about a personality app? This could be a musician, an author, a speaker. Include sample work. Imagine someone jogging, listening to a 15-minute segment of a talk, and they decide they like it. They can push the button, have it downloaded, and finish listening to that, making a transaction while they're jogging. This can be audio, video, ebooks. Push notifications for your special events and promotions, calendar of events, ticket sales, other in-app store within your application to sell other products you have. Suggest to a friend social tie-ins, plus success stories, about us, tap to contact, and many more. It is for everyone, and it's time for you to have yourself represented in the new mobile marketplace. Now, Excalibur Apps is a new breed of mobile app service company. It's person-to-person customer service. It helps you develop a mobile strategy, not just make an app. Top-notch graphic design is included with every deal. We help you launch your app. It's an incredible value for the money. We have an 8-step process. The intake of your information. The concept will recommend how it should be delivered. A package plan will recommend, discuss with you, and select one. Technology is on our end. We then take what you want to create and come up with a plan to assemble it. The engineering is when the app is actually built. Final review is when you get to test it and poke at it and play with it before it actually goes to market, so you can make any corrections or tweaks you'd like. And then we finally submit it for publishing to the world. And then it's just time to prepare for the world to know that you've got a new app. So let's get started. It's time that you are connected to the mobile world. It's time you were part of your customer and fans' favorite devices. It's time you had your own app. It's time. Call Excalibur Apps today, toll free at 888-899-8600.